Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable OneDrive automatically starting in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, Run. Type %local app data %. Open Microsoft folder. Open OneDrive folder. Open OneDrive application. Click Help and Settings. Click Settings. Click Settings tab. Uncheck Start OneDrive automatically when I sign in to Windows. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.